About this item: person biking wide compatibility for most bikes. BAFANG BBS02 mid-drive kit is compatible with 68 to 73 mm length, and 34 to 36 mm internal diameter, JIS standard bottom bracket. It can be installed on different bikes, such as MTB mountain bike, city and commuter bike, etc. We do not recommend to mount it on bikes with Costa or brakes. If you are looking for a 750W mid-motor for BB 100mm, please search B099Z8Y6QN on Amazon and order it. Person biking powerful bike motor kit. The max torque of BAFANG BBS02 is 120 nanometers. Top speed can reach 50 km/h, 27.5 bike. You can cycle on the road or climb the mountains much faster and easier, which really plays a great role in your daily life, especially for the old. There are 3 riding modes for you to choose: electric bike, thumb throttle mode, pedal assist, normal bike. Various modes satisfy your different needs. This e-bike motor can make your cycling trip more exciting. Person biking easy installation: a manual is included. If you are still confused about how to install the electric motor kit, please email us. When you are not sure if the kit fit your bike, please email us before you order or use the compatibility guide testing cutouts. We will help you check so that you can enjoy the joy of the conversion kit without wasting time. A wrench and crank removal tool are offered in the box. It will be helpful for installation. Person biking packing list: a 750W motor, a battery, if you order it together, a display, a chainring with guard. 36T chainring is without guard.